Ready?
No. Ready for what? The filming or a picture?
For filming.
This is hard.
What?
Can you do this?
Sudoku? Oh no. Fuck that shit. Sorry. Are you okay?
Ollie?
Paper bags and plastic hearts.
Goodbye.
We got one more night.
Hey, now I can do this.
What? Oh yeah. Hi, it's Liz, Aurora here, coming at you live, shaking shaking this shit.
Was that even ready to be shaken yet? Shaken?
I don't think you need to shake it. I'll shake it real hard, shake it real good. We're doing the box splat fucking pink fetish. That was sexy.
Okay, let's see.
Do it again. Oh, no. Oh, dude! It landed in there. It literally landed in this thing.
I can't do it when you're holding it up.
Oh, wow!
You know,
So we're
didn't
using
film the entire thing.
This is what it looks like right here in this little bottle. We already mixed. It was like clear or something, but it came in this like little package. You pour this into here and it turns into this, and then you shake it real good and it becomes bleach, I guess. Okay, I'll be back. I'm getting gloves.
What do you call them? Humans?
Yeah, I call them my humans.
Okay, I'll call you humans. She turned off my music and I'm not okay with that. Spotify. Songs I like. Fall Out Boy, The Offspring, Pierce Veil, All American Rejects, Three Doors Down, 3 Days Grace, The Cab. The Cab is my favorite. Going in Reverse, Panic at the Disco, We the Kings, All Time Low, you know, all of that 2000s. Green Day, I like Green Day. Tinder, Parachute, I love this song by Parachute. It's called Forever and Always, and it's like really deep and sad. I cried. Boomerang by the Somerset, that's also one of my favorite songs. Classic Glow or Apple Bottom Jeans. Kelly Clarkson, Good Charlotte, Simple Plan, Snow Patrol, The Click 5, Lifehouse, Smash Mouth, Mayday Parade, 30 Seconds to Mars, Paramore, Dell, Grit, Avril Lavigne.
I'm sorry.
Black Eyed Peas, Britney Spears, Bruno Mars, Christina Perri, Coldplay, David Guetta.
I just caught you guys like a snake.
Well, yeah, I've got a whole bunch of shit from classics to classics.
Classics to classics.
But my kind of classics.
Just scrolling down the list, don't worry about it. Okay.
That way there's no copyright.
No copyright right here.
What you've done to me, you can take back your memories, they're no good to me.
want to hear shit from you. Okay, so we put it in tinfoil. So we're gonna wait about 10 minutes and then we'll rinse it out and then we'll show you what
safe from aliens for the time being. Yes,
we're gonna be safe, and then we're gonna put this bad boy in. All right, so this is how the bleaching turned out. Yep. 10 out of 10. Joopy!
Oh, my face. There you go.
Alright, we're doing this shit.
One out of a million will reach those heights. Always had a feeling that I won't deny that work. Never could toss. Look in my eyes. I'm on the rocks. Rise. A couple milli now, I'm causing a commotion. I've been coasting, hear my name around the world like an explosion.
So rise up, rise up. We are the apocalypse, and a pill that keeps us floating. As we fly above the stars, the hype won't scare us falling. So rise up. I'm too great to be landed. Rise up. We're too great to be standing.
They never gonna stop us. Fly by them like choppers. Better took those risks. Hold one of my fists, we fire starters. Let's go. One out of a million will reach those heights. Always had a feeling that I won't deny that work. Never could toss. Look in my eyes. I'm on the rocks. Rise.
Lizz is 10 out of 10, and I get it on top of everyone's forehead. This is how it turns out. What do you think?
I love it. I think it's my favorite thing to do now.
You look cute.
Thank you.
I want to take some pictures of you over there in a minute.
Zoom up on all my messiness.
Dude, you look beautiful. I fucking love it. Okay, humans. Humans. Peace.
You do that, I'll let it. You're more than over.